So when he comes in, I am going to tell him that this is out of the litter box and one of the cats made it. And I'm going to throw it on him. I've just upped the ante a little bit and I added some chocolate sauce onto it. Oh. Oh no. This might be a long walk. Hello, come quick. Gotta see what Darth did. Look. You fucker. Here's more.
What is this? Is it just fake poop?
Damn it. You're supposed to run and be scared.
I knew it wasn't. It's too cylindrical.
This one got real poop on it.
Oh, you better stop. Why is it so wet? That's foul. What is it? Oh, it's chocolate, isn't it? It smells like it.
You got more.
No, stop. It's my work. It's a workout.
You're supposed to get scared.
No. I knew such a thing would never occur. I know, boys. There's filth all over me. Let me just take these off. There's a chocolate.
It's poop.
What is it made out of?
It's poop.
I know it's poop.
It's real poop.
What is it?
You should have seen it. I come out of hers, you went.
It's not even that big.
Mm-hmm.
Is it made out of chocolate? Stop. What is it made out of? Boy, I will fuck you up.
I'm on the wall.
Back up. Yeah. Not even real soap in there.
There is. I filled them all today. You got it on my face.
Well, duh. It smells of chocolate.
It's chocolate.
I thought it would be. Well, we can't let the dogs look at that.
On my face.